Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? You all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. This video we present winter special full sleeves frock design ideas for baby girls that offer warmth without compromising on style. You will see a range of charming frocks made for cozy fabrics like wool and thick cottons, perfect for chilly days. From elegant lace accents and ruffled details to cute prints like floral, polka dots, and animal patterns, those frocks are designed to keep your little one both comfortable and adorable. We will also highlight different styles including align and layered designs with beautiful winter themes. Colors like deep red, full sleeves frocks are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day or a festival winter gathering. As we wrapped up this video, I want to say a huge thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are always updated on my latest uploads. I would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay tuned for more exciting content and see you in the next video.